Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Nubia Neo 2 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open Settings application where we choose Mobile Network. In it we tap on our mobile data and there we have our data warming and limit. We tap there and now we can set it. First day we can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month. Confirm by set. There we can turn on, turn off by the switch data warming, and we can set it in our custom number in megabytes, gigabytes, what you prefer. Maybe we set data warming on 5 gigabytes. And there we can set our data limit. Turn on it by switch on, confirm by OK, and there we can set it in the same style as warming. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.